Hello, I am Rico. I am your Hylyt Assistant. With Hylyt you can easy save, easy share, easy search. Let's see how to start with Hylyt's web version. Go to web.socioric.com. You can log in with Facebook, Google or email. Enter your email and password. Click on Sign In. How to create note in Hylyt in web version. Click on plus. Type your note. Click on star to add note to favorites list. Click on this icon. Select how you want to save the note. Reminder, archive and calendar. Select folder where you want to save the note. You can add tags and sources to the note for easy search. You can add color note for easy classification. Click on attachment icon to add attachments. How to easy search in Hylyt web version. Click on search bar. You can search a note by keyword, tags and sources. How to easy share in Hylyt web version. Type any text in one-line chat option. Click on tick to save note directly in default folder. Click on share icon to share the note. Select the contact or app user or group you want to share note with. Or you can open any note. Click on share icon. Select the contact or group you want to share note with. Isn't this easy? For more details, visit our website www.hylyt.co.